Once upon a time, in a sunny little meadow, there lived a mischievous bunny named Benny. Benny loved three things: carrots, hopping super high, and pancakes. One morning, Benny woke up to the delicious smell of pancakes from Mrs. Hedgehog's kitchen. Pancakes for breakfast, Benny cheered, bouncing so high he almost touched the clouds. But Benny had a problem. He was too small to reach the kitchen window. So he came up with a super bunny plan. He stacked a pile of hay, grabbed a long stick, and catapulted himself right into the pancake plate. Plop! But instead of landing safely, Benny slid right onto the pancake and zoom! The pancake flew out the window like a flying saucer. Benny clung on for dear life as the pancake soared over the garden, past Farmer Fox's barn, and straight into the muddy pond. Benny splashed down with a big splat, his ears dripping and his nose full of pond water. But the best part? The pond frogs thought it was a flying pancake and jumped on it, bouncing Benny around like a trampoline. When Benny finally landed safely on the grass, he shook himself off, laughed, and said, "Next time, maybe I'll just eat it the normal way." And from that day on, Benny became the meadow's official pancake flyer, making every breakfast a little adventure.